Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a trick that will make styling more easy for you. First, we are going to do our ponytail as usual. Get your band and just wrap it around the back. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is Chris Beggs, a bridal hairstylist in London. If you are a hairstylist, we have a lot of hairstyles on our website that will show you step by step how to style like a pro. Now that the ponytail is done, I'm just going to get my padding. I'm just going to put my pin now, so put the padding in the middle there. So just put your pin. So I'm going to put some pin on the side and I'm going to be putting another pin on the other side. If you are finding it difficult to do this padding, you're still finding it, because some people send me message to say, oh, their padding don't stay. Don't worry, check out our course. This is our website, Hair by Chris Beggs. We have tutorials and more are coming next week. Just keep your eye open. Maybe it will be a style that you really want to learn. Now I'm just going to get the hair, put it together like this, just twirl it. I'm going to push it down inside like that. Get your bobby pin and just pin it like that. That's it. Don't worry if you're still finding it difficult, because a room was not built in a day. When I started styling, I was struggling, but now this particular hairstyle took me like 15 minutes to do. It doesn't take time. The more you work on it, you can watch this video, rewind it, just keep on doing it. Don't worry, one day you will get it. So now I'm just plaiting it. You can twist it, you can plait it. So make sure that you have like enough hair in the front. So now we've done the back. This front one, I'm just going to plait it. You're going to see what I'm going to do with it. It's going to be beautiful. I'm just going to put some of my spray and just comb the hair, comb it into my hand. We are going to be doing plaiting now. So the plaiting I'm doing here is like a back in plaiting, or you can do the front plaiting. It doesn't really matter. All we need is we need to plait this into one. We don't want it too tight because of this style that we are doing. Don't worry, you're going to like it. I'm just going to just fluff the plait. If you have watched my videos, you like my videos, I would like you to press the like button. Just press it and leave your comment. I want to hear from you. Now that the plait is done, you can see what I'm doing. So I'm fluffing it from the bottom. Now I'm just getting it to the top, and we're going to move back to the bottom again and just fluff it. What do you think? This is beautiful. So you can do different type of thing with this kind of hairstyle. You can just, I want you to get creative. So I've shown you this way. You can use this particular hairstyle. You can use it to make 5 hairstyles. Look at it, it's beautiful. So I'm just going to walk down to the bottom. I'm just going to fluff it just the way I'm fluffing now. We are going to transform this hair. You're going to like it.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so
The front one, look at it. I'm just going to get some of my bobby pin, a black one. So just take some of your pin and just pin it right in the middle. That's it. And it just transform the whole hairstyle, the total package. It just transform it. What do you think? What do you think with this hairstyle? You like it? Be honest, you don't like it, and that's it. We are just going to spray it on it and just use some of my paint to just anchor it. This is a beautiful hairstyle for wedding. I am a bridal hairstylist. I just love beautiful hairstyle. You can just use it for any event. You can use it on a wig. You can use it if your natural hair is a little bit long. You can just add extension to the front. You can just create magic with this kind of simple but elegant hairstyle. If you are a hairstylist and you want to learn how to make hair beautiful, you just want to learn quick, I have a course on my website that will show you from beginning to end everything you need to learn. And we have like single videos coming out. More are coming out next week. We are just going to put some of the accessories. So I'm using this tiny star accessory. You can use this type. You can use like a ball one. So we're just going to put it like kind of a 3-inch away from each other. You can put 2-inch depending on how you like it. Here is it now. I'm just going to make sure that everything is proper, and when we finish, we're just going to take off all the clips. So spray to just keep it in place. I'm going to take all the clips, and this is our style. If you watched this video up to now, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, share us out, and I can't wait to see you in that next video. Bye for now.